Wait. Alright. Okay, go.
There was a big bear who climbed the
Hey, no. Come on, you face here. Okay.
who climbed a tree. He reached the top to look what he see.
Uh-huh.
The tree bam tumbled down the bear. Good. Next, the small bear.
Yeah.
There was a small bear who climbed the tree. He reached the top to look what he see. The tree bam tumbled down the cute bear. Next, the cute bear. This one, cute bear. This. There was a cute bear who climbed the tree. He reached the top.
Hey.
He looked what he see. The tree bam tumbled down the small cute bear. The tree bam. Good. Funny?
Yeah, that was it.
Finish.
Great, thank you.
Bye.